I'm going to be unboxing this 75-inch Q60C QLED TV. I've got the box positioned right in front where the TV is going to go. The box shows me this is the front of the TV, and that's the TV stand where it's going to go. The first thing what I'll do is cut these strips. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we've got here. So we've got, looks like the plate that sits in between the two stands. There's the stand and remote control and some user guide. Okay, I'll just remove this top styrofoam. There's the TV. So next we pull this styrofoam up like I've done on this side, but to make it easy, this little tab, paper tab here, squeeze it so that it doesn't get in the way of the styrofoam coming up. Alright, with that styrofoam out, the box now can be lifted out. So you're going to need help because that box is quite heavy, and you also need someone to hold this panel while the box is being lifted out. Okay, now the box is out and there's the TV. The next thing I'll do is I'll just fold this down. I'll repeat on both sides. Okay, so the piece that was here, I'm gonna use it to just insert it in there so it helps hold the TV more steady. And then I'm gonna go around the back of the TV and remove this styrofoam, just lift it up, and this piece down here, I'm just pushing it to the front, and that exposes where the stand is going to be screwed into. Okay, so the back of the TV actually shows you left and right, so just make sure when you put in the stand it is the correct one, left and right. Okay, so the stand is now been tightened. There are two Phillips head number 2 screw here and 2 over here. So at the back of the TV there are this connection here, so it has a 0.5 amp USB, a 1 amp USB, a LAN port, and 2 HDMI. One of which is a ARC, audio return channel. That's what I will plug into my sound with a HDMI cable. And there's an additional HDMI input here. Okay, so now we're almost ready to put the TV onto the stand. So now I'm just going to move this piece out of the way, and we'll lift this part of the TV up so we can pull this out, and then lift the other part up and pull it out so that it'll be standing on its own stand. Okay, now we're ready to lift it up and put it onto the TV stand. Okay, all we have to do now is connect it up and test it out.